Hello everyone. Today is the 3rd of June, and I'm currently in this MES trade. I took this when I was in the bathroom washing my face because I woke up a little late today. I didn't have good rest because I was been vacationing, and yeah, so I just been my sleep schedule has been like set for 9 to 5 slavery. So I literally have just been tired, but we got into this trade, um, supply and demand trade right here. Um, Here and break the candle happen right there. TP is right here. It's 9 ticks on this, so it's approximately. Oh, whoa. I need $50. That's what it is. 9 ticks equals 50. It showed that it hit TP, but that was too fast for anybody to fucking see. Yeah, especially if you. Oh fuck. Okay, I think I closed it too early. $42. That is not what we needed. But you know what? That is okay. I closed it. Well, when we saw it, it was at 55 and then it just quickly spiked down to that. But I mean, damn. To be fair, all I can say is this is like you see how it's a lot of room here? It's technically 8 ticks. Because that's where it is. So I'm gonna hold on. Oh wait, hold on. Hold on. I'm tripping. Hold on. SPX. Yeah, that still wouldn't fly. Let me see. 8 ticks. I was still should have held for $56.25. Um, damn, that's on me. But when I clicked on it, I was clicking on it for 55. Like that's what happened. Damn. Like, and this is not even within my risk. Okay, I will say this. I broke my rules, but I'll give myself some leeway. When I clicked on it, it was for the intention of the 56. Okay. When I clicked on it, it was like 55 something. So I closed it. Oh, and then it just completely just as soon as I clicked on it, it went down. So I mean, I'm not gonna get back into this trade to get like $10. I'm just gonna take the little W, even though it's not, my type of risk that I do. I'm just gonna take the $42 and call it a day because this has not been my best day back. I'm like tired, not really on it, but this is all I have to say. Damn, this was a quick ass video because most of it happened off camera. But all right, not the best start, but a start. At least it was a W. That's all that matters to me. But all right, so sorry, we'll try better Thursday. I just need to get my sleeping schedule better. But that was this video. Did I explain it? I mean, quite simple. Like we got break a structure off of this move right here. I was originally looking at, you see this alert, I was originally looking at this demand zone, but then price created another structure, and I won't lie, like when I seen this, I was a little nervous because I was like, is it really gonna eat? With small retracements, I get a little bit sus about, um, because I'm just like, I don't know, like I feel like it's just like I'd be scared because I'd be like, bruh, watch it give me the break of the candle and then retraces back, stops me out, and go all the way down to the original demand zone that I thought, and then rip. But sometimes it don't do that, and you just gotta take it. Because I didn't take a trade because of the same reason. Like, it was small retracement, and then that shit fucking ripped. So if it aligns with our setup, give us breaking a candle, we taking that bitch. All right, that's it for this video. I'm gonna be back Thursday better, and yeah, all right, see ya.